Hi. How are you?
Nowadays I am very upset.
Why are you upset?
What is it that the examinations of the 12th board are going to come and my preparation is not done well yet? I do not understand what to do. If there is a solution, it would have been great.
I think you have a solution. Have you heard the names of active commerce classes?
Yes, I have heard the name of active commerce classes. A lot of my friends study there.
Why did not your admission go there?
I was late to take admission till then admission was closed. Active commerce classes.
Admission has just started for crash course and test series in active commerce classes.
Oh wow, that's great. I immediately go and get admission. Can you give me contract number of active commerce classes?
Yeah, of course. You can contact on 729595953 or 729595954.